Guys, today we are going to make 12-volt battery full charge indicator. For this we need a BC547 transistor, a green LED, 12-volt Zener Diode, and a 1 kilo ohms resistor. Now let's connect all the components according to the circuit diagram. Connect LED negative to collector of BC547. Now connect 12-volt Zener Diode positive to base of BC547 and negative to LED positive. Solder 1 kilo ohms resistor on negative of Zener Diode. Here I have showed only full charge indicator. You can also add charging indicator as in diagram. Now let's connect multimeter to monitor DC input. Here we will use variable 13-volt power supply to show functioning of this circuit. Here you can see I'm increasing voltage slowly, and when it crosses 12.7 volts LED starts glowing. Let's take a close look. You can see LED starts glowing when voltage rises to 12.7 volts and turns off on decreasing voltage. This circuit is working pretty awesome. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. You can download circuit diagram of this project. The link is in the description below. You can check that out.